Hello everyone, this is the question about HCF. So basically the question is saying that you have to find HCF of these three numbers 1.75, 5.6 and 7. This question is somewhat tricky because it involves numbers with decimal places. This is a number with two decimal places, this is a number with one decimal place, and this is a number with also one decimal place. So this question is somewhat tricky to solve. That's why I have included the question in this video. So in order to solve the question, you have to find the number with highest decimal places. Okay, so here 1.75 is the number with highest decimal place. It involves two decimals. So first write that number 1.75. Okay, then rest of the two numbers you have to represent that number with two decimal places. For example, 5.6 is given here. You have to write it as 5.60 so that it also involves two decimals. Okay. Then again 7.0 can be written as 7.00 so that it also involves two decimals. Now all the numbers have two decimals. Okay. Now the second step is you have to remove the decimals. 1.75 can be written as 175 by 100, 5.60 can be written as 560 by 100, and 7.00 can be written as 700 by 100. Now the denominators of all these numbers are same. That's why in the first step I have converted all the numbers into two decimals. Now the third step is you have to find the HCF of 175, 560 and 700, which is very easy to solve. 175 individual factors can be written as 5 square into 7, 560 individual factors can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 7, 700 individual factors can be written at 2 to the power 2 square into 5 square into 7. So the HCF of these three numbers is 5 into 7, which is 35. So the HCF of these numbers is 35. This was the third step. Now the fourth step is, see, in the third step we have done the calculation of all the numerators. Now in fourth step we have to involve the denominators because we had left denominators in the third steps. Now denominators needs to be involved here. So in the fourth step what we have to do is 35 divided by the denominator, which is 100. Okay, so after calculation we will get 0.35, which is the answer. Okay, so the HCF of 1.75, 5.6 and 7 is 0.35. I hope I have done justice to this question. If you have any doubt, you can post your doubt in the comment section. Thank you.